It's nails day. I'm about to get my nails done. I'm about to be on time. I'm about to be on time. Today is December the 2nd, and I can't believe that I'm doing this. Like, I'm still in shock that I'm picking up this camera and trying to attempt to do Vlogmas. Now, with me, I'm not gonna make no promises to nobody. That's one thing I don't do. I don't make no promises, especially if I know promises is meant to be broken, and I ain't gonna be the one to break it. But we gonna attempt, and there ain't nothing wrong with that. So we are on our way to the Big Guava, and today is nails day, you guys. I've been waiting for this day all month. I've been waiting for this day for a whole month, you guys. So we are getting our nails done today, and then of course on Fridays we do treat ourselves to lunch. So we will be finding a lunch spot. So y'all know on payday, that's when we spend like $50-$60. That's when we take a girl, well, I take myself out on a date. And then on the weeks that we don't get paid, that's when we, you know, we step it down just a one notch. So we on that one, we stepped it down that one notch. That's this week. So yeah, because my nail appointments take like literally like 3 to 4 hours. So by that time I'd be starving. So of course you're gonna want something good. And then I'm in the city. So yeah, you guys, we are on our way to get a detox tea, and I will see you guys at the Big Guava. So yay, we made it to the Big Guava. It's so good, thank you. It's crazy because I remember on your first day you were like, I don't know what to do. And I'm just like, you'll get better, and now you're like holding down the fort and everything. Alright, you guys, so as far as my drink, I got the As Cool as a Cucumber from the Big Guava, and it's a detox tea, and it has tropical fiber, collagen for your joints, and it also has clean, whoops, sorry y'all, I'm trying to get in the car. And it also has clean energy, so like it's better than like caffeine from coffee. Like it's healthier energy. It keeps you alert and you don't crash. It has 0 sugars, 0. It may taste like it has sugar in it, but it's not. I promise you it's not, y'all. But I love it. It's good to drink one every day. It's through the company called Herbalife. That's how I lost the majority of my weight. I swear by it. But of course you have to want the results as well. But y'all, it's nails day. I'm about to get my nails done. I'm about to be on time. I'm about to be on time. I can never remember where this girl lives. Y'all, I'm not about to be on time. Well, I'm only about to be 5 minutes late. Dang, I thought I was about to be on time. Well, it's better than being, whoops. It's better than being 10 minutes late. So, well, dang, y'all. Well, so much for that. Well, I mean, 5 minutes, well, technically it says 6 minutes. But 5 minutes late ain't bad, at least for me. So, but today is nail day. I'm about to be on my way. Let me focus, y'all, because like I said, these Florida people are crazy when it comes to the road. All right, I'll see y'all at my nail appointment. Enjoy coming with me while I got my nails done. Aren't they freaking cute? They're so adorable. But yes, y'all, they are super cute. Now we are, y'all, it's December 2nd and it's 80 degrees. Like, that's crazy. And then I checked what it was back home in Baltimore and it's 46 degrees. I'm like, dang, that's a drastic change. It's like literally 40 some more degrees here than it is there. Like, what? But that's what I live for. Like, I can literally open up my sunroof. Well, now I'm about to go to the gas station, so we ain't doing all that. But so yeah, we just got my nails done. So now I'm gonna go to Cava. Literally the whole 3 hours I was getting my nails done, y'all, I was thinking about what I want to eat. And so I found out what I want to eat. We're gonna go to Cava because I haven't been there in forever, and I tried to stick to something that is healthy. So yeah, you guys, so we're gonna go and get gas, and then we're gonna go to Cava, and then we're gonna go home and spend the rest of the day with Stinky Stinks and doing some other things, y'all. I promise y'all I don't be doing much with my life, but this is Vlogmas. This is what y'all want to see, so this is what y'all gonna get. See y'all in a bit. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Yes, say hi. Remember the vlogs? Oh, come on. Say hi. Hi. Y'all, Y'all remember Stinky Stinks? If not, this is my dog Rufus. For all my new viewers, all my new supporters, this is my Stinky Stinks. He's my best friend. He's my buddy. He means the world to me. I don't have any kids, yo, so he's the closest thing to it. But I absolutely love him. I do anything for him. He's my baby. Say hi. Say happy Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas. And I might have a Vlogmas of me giving him a bath and showing y'all how I take care of him and all that type of stuff. Don't be sniffing my food. But yeah, so y'all, we went to Five and Below. It is so hard to shop in Five and Below and not get carried away. I feel like it's like that with me with any other store too, but I found some cute stuff. So of course I need to get a new charger. I got some antlers for work, but I found these makeup brushes. I mean, these makeup brush holders from Five and Below. And anything that has like positive quotes is what I tend to gravitate to. So this just says, just a girl boss building her empire, which is absolutely true. And then the other one says, this one says, surrounding yourself with makeup, not negativity. And that's exactly, like, that's my new quote. Surround yourself by makeup, like, not negativity. Like, who has time for that? But yeah, you guys, so oh, and let me show y'all my food from Cava. Of course, don't forget to follow my TikTok and my Instagram and Facebook so you can see the full reel of my Cava experience. But this is it. I pretty much got feta cheese, rice, arugula, olives, sauces, a little bit of everything, y'all. It looked really good. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat. We're gonna chill out for a little bit, and then we are going to organize my computer slash makeup room because I'm tired of looking at it. So I will see y'all when it's time to organize. But so far we've been having a good day, you guys. I hope y'all enjoy hanging out with your girl. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, y'all, because come on now, definitely put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name, especially I'm giving y'all all this consistency and I'm literally pulling Vlogmas out my ass. I'ma need y'all to like, share, subscribe to my channel.